Hello again, everybody. We are looking at this problem from the AMC 10, paper B, problem 8 from 2023. So these are classic problems. They love to do things with the years, and necessarily the years are quite big numbers. So as with so many of these problems that involve big numbers, you are not supposed to do the hard work of the multiplication. Let's see if we can simplify this. So what is the unit digit of this? One of the really important things to understand about unit digits of multiplications is they only depend on the unit digits of the numbers that go into it. So for example, if we do something like 4 by 6, we know this is 24. Okay. Also, if we did 14 times 16, let's have a look at grid and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. You could see this is 10 times 4, 10 times 6, 10 times 10 is 100, 40, 60, and then 24. When you add all of these up, you get 100, 60, 40, and then 24, 4, 2. 224. But the important thing is only this square here will affect the units digit. So it has exactly the same unit as just 4 by 6. This is a really important fact to learn. Only units digits affect the units digits. So what that means is we can actually massively simplify this to is 2 to the power of 2023 plus 3 to the power of 2022. What is the units digit? Okay, sure, the exponent, the power is still really big, but I think this is a much easier problem. Now, let's have a look at powers of 2. So 2 to the 1 is 2. 2 to the 2 is 4. 2 to the 3 is 8. 2 to the 4 is 16. 2 to the 5 is 32. Now notice it goes 2, 4, 8, 6. Just looking at the units digit, and it's going to go 2 to the 6 equals 64. It's going to start the same thing again. So it goes 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. And it keeps doing this forever. Right. Now, let's have a look at powers of 3. We've got 3 to the 1, of course, is 3. 3 squared is 9. 3 cubed is 27. 3 to the 4 is 81. And then 3 to the 5 is 243. And it starts again. It goes 3, 9, 7, 1. 3, 9, 7, 1. 3, 9, 7, 1. 3, 9, 7, 1. So now all that remains is to use this fact. So every multiple of 4, every time we get to a multiple of 4, it's going to be 6. Okay. And every time this one gets to a multiple of 4, because it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to be a 1. I realised I've written that wrong. That should be 2022. So let's have a look at 2023. Let's try and just divide it by 4. What do we get? We get 500 and we get 505. Remainder 3. Now we don't care about the 505. We only care about the remainder, which means it's done 505 lots of 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. It's done that 505 times. 505 times. And the remainder is 3. So then it did another 3. What does that mean? It will end in 8. So the final number of this will be 8. The unit digit of this will be 8. Now, let's have a look at this one. 2022. Well, divided by 4 again, we know the remainder will be 2. So what this means is it's going to go 505 times through 3, 9, 7, 1. And then it's going to do 2 more. It's going to go 1, 2. The final digit is going to be 9. You add these together, 17. We only care about the units digit. Therefore, the final digit of this would also be 7, which is A. I hope you enjoyed that.